Scx24 survived our camping trip. Are they worth it? Heck yeah. What's happening? This is Ryan from RC Off-Road. We are fresh off a 1-week camping trip with the old Scx24s. I wanted to shoot this video because these things absolutely are BA. These things are awesome. If you don't have one, you need to go buy one. I cannot believe the amount of quality, reliability you get for 120 bucks. These things are probably the best RC car I bought in 15 years. Unbelievable. If I had so much fun with these, I can't even explain it. I mean, the size, 1/24 scale, for what these things are capable of for the size, very misleading. Extremely misleading. I mean, we took these things everywhere with us. Packed them in a book bag, and we just went everywhere. We run 2-3 batteries through them a day for a week. We had 0 problems, 0 issues. Most fun I've had with an RC car in a long, long time. It's unbelievable. I shot a ton of footage. So if you're into the Scx24s, you're going to want to subscribe because I shot an absolute crap ton of footage of these trucks. Found a local hobby shop, bought a set of factory needle grapplers and a set of rock creepers on some bead locks, found some rock locks, bought all those, put them on, got a bunch of comparison videos on that I'm going to be working on. I've got an absolute ton of footage and info that I'm going to be putting out on both of these little guys. I've set this one up a couple different ways with absolutely pretty much no money, just free mods that cost you nothing out of the box. Left this one bone stock, compared which one ran better. Got all that footage. I mean, these things are just unbelievable. I put them both on magnet mounts. If you've never heard of Matt at 2FM RC, his channel, that's where I got the idea from the magnet mounts. And if you've never seen his channel, you got to go check him out. He is doing some absolutely insane stuff with these little trucks. I mean, he's got tons of info. He'll show you all kinds of stuff that you didn't even think was possible. So, Matt, 2FM, RC, you got to go check him out. I'm going to put a link down in the description so it'll be easier to find. But, yeah, I just wanted to shoot this quick video, let you know my real world experience with these trucks for a week. We weren't nice to them. We took them on rocks, sand, gravel, out in the woods, climbing stumps, climbing through tall grass and leaves, and I mean, it's unbelievable. We beat these trucks down for a week. This is a week old. Look at the bumper. Just scratched to living crap. Just beat right up. I mean, we pounded on these things. We didn't give them brakes through the batteries. We just run them and run them and run them till the LiPo cut off. Come on. I mean, we didn't care. Motor's still running. Probably not the healthiest thing for the motor, but hey, they're still going. So, you know, stock motor's like $7. So, they burn out. I don't really care because parts are cheap. Aftermarket parts for these are insane, man. You can get all kinds of stuff for these trucks right here. Blow your mind. Aftermarket parts for days. Awesome. These things are freaking cool. I will be buying more of these. I'm addicted. They're going to multiply. And I'm telling you, if you don't own one of these, Scx24, whether it's a C10, Jeep, Deadbolt, whatever it is, go out and buy one. They're freaking awesome. So, yeah. I mean, I can't say good enough things about them. But, like I said, you're going to want to make sure this is the first time coming to my channel. You're going to want to subscribe because I've got an absolutely crap ton of footage of these trucks that I'm slowly putting together and going to be having a bunch of videos on these showing all kinds of different comparisons. Tire comparisons, setup comparisons between this to this and everything else. So this is Ryan from RC Off-Road. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos, because they're going to be pretty awesome, I'm just saying. So we'll see you guys later.